If you're using any other browser other than Comet, you're already behind the race. So I have been using this Comet browser since 2 months. It's not available for everyone currently and it's in waitlist. This browser is an agentic browser. In simple terms, it's a normal browser and AI combined together. Stick with me because I'm going to show a lot of features which will be mind-blowing. In this browser, you just don't search, you command and it executes it for you. I'll show you how to navigate through this browser. So this is the search panel where you can enter any prompt or any query. You can select the model whichever you want, like one of the latest models, GPT-5, Claude or Grok 4. This particular thing is the Comet Assistant, and it is one of the most advanced features which Comet Browser has. There are a lot of features available in this browser. For example, this is a normal search. This is a research. Let's say you want to do any deep research on any particular topic, you can click on this. This is labs where you can create projects from scratch and then convert them into complete slides, documents and presentations. You can use the study mode if you are a student and you want to learn step by step. For any particular prompt, if you don't want sources from any random place, let's say you just want academic sources, then you can select academic before entering the prompt. You can attach your files from local storage or Google Drive. You can also dictate instead of typing out the prompt. So it's completely hands-free, let's say if you're dictating. When you're searching like latest news on AI, and when you press enter, it does a normal Perplexity search. It provides a general overview and few links which you can click on. And let's say you type out the same thing, latest news on AI, and press shift enter, then it does a Google search. So you can access Google search engine as well as Perplexity AI using the same browser. This browser has changed the way I work and it has saved me a lot of time throughout this period. You could also avail these benefits by just accessing Comet Browser through the link given in the description. One of the amazing features which you could try is opening a YouTube video and then asking Comet Assistant to summarize it. Summarize this video. And it just takes a few seconds and provides a detailed analysis of the video. If you are a student, it's very difficult to catch up with mails, but with Comet, it's just one prompt away. You can ask it like, summarize my mails since yesterday. What it does is, it goes through all your mails, provides a detailed overview so that you don't need to open multiple tabs again and check through. You can also ask it to extract key tasks that you need to follow up from the recent mail. And it tells you what all things you can apply, join or explore. So let's say you wanted to generate an image of a dog. Usually what you would do is go to ChatGPT or some AI model and ask it to generate. But here you can just type generate an image of a dog. So it perfectly routes it to OpenAI's ChatGPT and then starts generating the image inside the browser itself. So you don't have to open further more tabs, click and prompt anymore. Here we go, it generated a beautiful image of the dog. Now let's try out something interesting. You can type out shift @ and then select a tab. Here I'm selecting LinkedIn. You can tell Perplexity to post a LinkedIn post on behalf of you. So I tell it to post a LinkedIn post about top 3 AI updates of today. So first it searches the web for the latest AI updates and then summarizes them into a LinkedIn post. You can click on this window to see it working live. It has taken control over my browser and started drafting my LinkedIn post. So it has drafted out a LinkedIn post and if I click on continue, it will post for me. It has successfully posted my LinkedIn post. It has listed the top 3 AI breakthroughs. It has also attached relevant hashtags, which is a very smart move by it. Let's say you are in Chennai and you want to visit the top 3 attractions here. You can open Google Maps and ask Assistant, starting from IIT Madras, plan out a route to top 3 attractions in Chennai on the map. So what the assistant does is it explores the latest popular attractions in Chennai and then takes control over my Google Maps and starts planning the whole route out for me. So I think it has chosen Marina Beach and some 2 other spots. It has chosen Kapaleshwar temple, which is very close. And finally it's telling us to go to the government museum. This is a very efficient route which it has planned out. This is pretty interesting. This browser is currently invite only and can be accessed only by the Perplexity Max users, which is a $200 subscription. But if you are a student, I have an offer. Check out the description for a link where you can sign up with your student mail and then download Comet and access it completely. As a bonus, you will be receiving Perplexity Pro free for a month. Don't miss out on this because this will be the future of browsing. Subscribe to Shivangara for more such amazing content.